Welcome to MH class. Today we'll discuss the relation and function of class 11. Okay, first we have to know what are two elements. If a pair of elements is written in a specific order, then such pair of elements is called ordered pair elements. Such specific orders means the elements must be written within the parenthesis, within the first bracket and separated by comma, that is a comma b. It is the example we can take 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, like that. Okay, first is called first components of the ordered pair elements, and second one is called the second components of the ordered pair elements. Near note order you have to keep in your mind that a comma b not equal to b comma a. Number 2, a comma b is equal to x comma y, such that what the first component is equal to the first component and second component is equal to the second component, that is a is equal to x and b is equal to y. If and only if this condition is satisfied, that we can say two ordered pair elements are same. The questions may be asked in this way: find x comma y such that twice x plus 1 is comma twice y minus 3 is equal to 2 comma 5. So first component is equal to the first element, second component is the first second elements. So twice x plus 1 is equal to 2, 3y minus twice y minus 3 is equal to 5. So if we simplify, then we'll get the x, here also you'll get the y. Okay, now the questions maybe comes to mind that why a comma b not equal to b comma a. As for example, we can take the 2 points, one is 1 comma 2 and another is 2 comma 1. If we plot these 2 points on the Cartesian coordinate plane, this is, suppose this is 0 origin 1 1 2, this is the point 1 comma 2 and this is the point 2 comma 1. They are not the same point, so what we can say 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 are not equal. Okay, next we have to see the Cartesian product. What do you mean by Cartesian product? Suppose A and B, two sets. The Cartesian product of A and B is written as A cross B, and it is a set of all ordered pair elements, A comma B, such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. That means what? A cross B, what will write? A comma B for all A belongs to A, B belongs to B. The first elements must be from the first set and second elements must be from the second set. Okay, that should be. Similarly, how do we can write? If B cross A, what will write? Then B comma A, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B. Okay, note number 1, A cross B not equal to B cross A, since A comma B not equal to B comma A. Number 2, n of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. That is, if n is equal to P and B is equal to Q, number of elements, then n of A cross B, what will get? P into Q. As for example, we can say A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 4, 5. So what will be A cross B? All ordered pair elements. The first element is it is easy to understand. If you draw the pictorial diagram, then it is easy to understand. A, B, this is 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5. So first element should become from the first set. So 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, then 2 comma 4, then 2 comma 5, then 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. So how many elements? Here is 3 elements, here is 2 elements, but A cross B has how many? 6 elements. There is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. Similarly, B cross A, how do you get B cross A? B cross A. First element will be from the set B, that is 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3. Then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3. In this way you have to write A cross B and B cross A. Okay. So this is the Cartesian product of two sets. The question may be asked related to this. Question, you can say, if the set A has 3 elements, A has 3 elements and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, and find the number of elements. Then find the number of elements in A cross B. So how to do? NA is equal to, it is given NA is equal to 3 elements. NB, B has how many elements? 3 elements. B has also 3 elements. So NA cross B, what will get? 3 into 3, that is 9 elements. Total is 9 elements. Okay, the question may be asking this way. Note, A cross 5 is nothing but what? 5, where A is any set. If we do the Cartesian product with the empty set, automatically it will become an empty set. Okay. Question C. Let A is equal to 1, 2, B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. C is equal to 5, 6, and D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. Verify that. A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So first we need to find out. So solution, how to find out? First we need to find out A cross B. A cross B. What is A cross B? A cross B. What will get? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. This is A cross B. Then A cross C. A cross C. C is 5, 6. So what will get? 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Okay, this is across C. B intersection C, in the left hand side B intersection C also there. B intersection C. What is B intersection C? This is 5. Now all values we are getting here, C. And one more thing, left hand side, what is left hand side? C. A cross B intersection C, that is A cross 5. A cross 5 is equal to what? 5. And right hand side, what is right hand side? What is right hand side? C. Right hand side, A cross B intersection A cross C. A cross B intersection A cross C. So A cross B intersection A cross C, what are the common elements here? Is there any common elements between A cross B and A cross C? No, it is 5. That is left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the answer. Okay, so this we have to solve, and these are the concept of cross product, Cartesian cross. Concept of Cartesian product of two sets. Okay, so question may be asked in this way. Next question, say last question we will discuss here. If A is equal to minus 1 comma 1, find A cross A cross A. We know the Cartesian product, that is A cross A, but how to find out A cross A cross A? So first we need to find out A cross A. What will get A cross A? Minus 1 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 1, then 1 comma minus 1, then 1 comma 1. That means what? See, if we see this one, A to A, this is also A, minus 1, 1, this is also minus 1, 1. So 1 minus 1 is this one, ordered pair. This one ordered pair, this one ordered pair. So number of elements will be 4. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Now again we have to multiply A cross A cross A. Already this is we got. So if we take this one in this way, see, minus 1, minus 1, this is one element. Then next is what? Minus 1 comma 1. Next is 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma 1. And this will be minus 1, 1. This is A cross A, and this is A. Now find out this one with this one with this. That means what we can write? Minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. Next is minus 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Next is this one and this one. In this way we have to go. Then minus 1 comma 1 comma minus 1. Then what will write? Next minus 1 comma 1 comma 1. Next this one, this with this, 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, then 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Next this one, this 4 and 2 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Already 6 we got. Last one is 1 comma 1 comma minus 1 and 1 comma 1 comma 1. This is the answer. So in this way you have to solve the questions. So this is the basic concept, and these are the basic problems related to Cartesian product, okay, and order pair elements. So next class we'll discuss about the relation. Thank you. Have a nice day.